We're kicking off our weekend with a taste of African heritage with Afromeals, and joining us is with Chef Gabby here. So Gabby, I'm so excited to dive in. You've always got some kind of twist going on with this.
Hopefully.
So what are we making today?
So today we're making Creole Cajun salmon. So we have like a little bit of salmon here, and then I'm gonna have you season it with this adobo and the Creole seasoning to your liking.
Ooh, okay, perfect.
Yeah, so the adobo, you get the salt from it, and it also has like oregano and stuff like that, so you're getting more flavor from there.
Yeah.
Good. And then you add the Creole Cajun seasoning on the salmon.
Perfect. Now this is one of yours, right?
Yes.
What's in the seasoning?
Oh, so many things. You have white pepper, black pepper, you have rosemary, you have smoked paprika.
Ooh.
You have just different things to make a great, delicious Creole Cajun seasoning.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
And do we put any oil on it?
No, we're just going to like dab it in like right here.
Perfect.
Get it on, and then I'm gonna have you drizzle some oil.
On the pan?
On the pan with me. So today you're like my co-cook.
I love it. That's what I'm here for. You give me my confidence where I'm like, okay, I can do this at home.
Good. And then we're going to take the salmon. We're going to start. You want to hear that sizzle.
Yes.
Because you want to know that like the salmon is searing on the back. So we start with the back first so that it can be nice and crispy. And then we leave it there for some time.
Perfect.
And then after it sears on that side, it browns a little bit, it's crispy, we flip it on the other side and then get that to sear as well.
I was excited for the segment because my family, we do salmon Sundays. I'm a huge salmon person.
That is so cool.
But I've never pan fried. I've always just like oven baked, if that makes sense.
I always pan fried because you get so much of the flavors from searing. Yes, on both sides. It browns, it crisps up, and then the seasonings on there also, the heat helps it to taste better.
See, this is why I needed a lesson. This is why I need it. Maybe we'll be pan frying on Sunday, dear, if you're watching.
Yeah, definitely.
That's awesome.
So now we're gonna flip it to the back. If you want it to cook a little bit longer, you can leave it a little bit longer. You flip it, you know that it's cooking because you see how it's starting to turn whitish. That's how you know it's cooking. It goes from like the pink coral color to like opaque, and then like all the way to white. Also, depending on how you like your salmon, you don't want to overcook it. So once like it starts to change to that opaque color, you're done. Or you can temp it. So, or if you're the type of person to like well done, you can also leave it a little bit longer.
I tend to overbake mine.
Yeah.
So we'll be right back with Afromeals. We're going to take a short commercial break, but we're figuring out salmon Sundays.
Yes.
We'll be right back. Welcome back to the Living Dayton Kitchen. We've got Chef Gabby here with Afromeals. So she's been hard at work over this commercial break. I've just been yip-yapping. Catch us up. What have you been up to?
So we tossed in some potatoes because Mom needs her carbs. And then she definitely needs her veggies. So we have some green beans here. And then we're going to just sear both of them. And then we're going to add butter because butter makes everything taste better.
Amen.
Okay? So that's about it. You just saute it in the butter. And then our salmon is already done. And then you're ready to serve Mom.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
And again, we're serving Mom this weekend, especially on Mother's Day.
Yes.
And you have a fun opportunity tomorrow.
Yes. So tomorrow we're having our Mother's Day cooking class. It's not going to be salmon, but Mom is going to learn how to make fresh pasta.
Oh,
okay. Yes.
Okay, we love that.
Exactly.
Now, if Mom, this might be maybe the kids may come with her. Kids welcome?
Yes. So for Mom, like the kids can come with them, and Dad can come as well. We've had that, so it's pretty fun and learn how to make pasta and very easy and quick.
I love how you say dads are welcome.
Yeah.
So I mean, we're talking Mother's Day tomorrow, especially with the cooking class, but you have so many cooking classes all the time.
Yes, we have different cooking class coming up. Our Ethiopian one is coming up. It's coming up in the Gem City Market and also in our downtown Cincinnati location.
So you've been cooking with me for about 2 years now.
Yes.
So for any viewers at home who maybe they're intimidated by this or maybe they're a little nervous, what's your best advice for beginners?
Oh, to just relax because we all started somewhere, okay? And then like start with basic things that they know they can cook easily in the kitchen. Nothing like crazy like a steak, right?
Oh, yeah.
Start from something like very simple like chicken breast. You can't go wrong with that.
That's very good advice. I've embarrassed myself for 2 years. So that's why I'm like, if anyone can do it, if I can do it, so can you. So is there any tricks that people need to know about this salmon dish? It seems pretty straightforward.
Yes, it's very straightforward. Season it, put it in there, and then cook it to your liking. If you don't know what to do, always get a thermometer, a meat thermometer. stick it in, it will tell you when it's done, and you can pull it off. That's how to make your life easy.
Do the thermometer for sure,
yes.
but like you also have to get Afromeals seasoning.
Yes.
You have so many more than just this little guy.
Yes, we have about like 10 to 15 different seasonings. Like you can change it up throughout the week. So yeah.
Do you know you have 10 to 15? What are your most
yes.
popular ones?
Jerk seasoning, our jollof rice, fried rice seasoning, and this one, and our poultry and meat. We have so many different ones.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, just something for everyone.
Yeah.
So is registration still open for Mother's Day class?
Yes, it is. But like register soon because we might be closing it down soon later today.
Understandable. It's tomorrow.
Yes, exactly.
Well, viewers at home, you've got to catch your Mother's Day cooking class tomorrow, and all the cooking classes all season long. We're going to have the information right there on your screen. Be sure to catch that class and even more down at the Cincinnati location. So go to Afromeals.com for everything you may need. Gabby, it was so great chatting with you today, and happy Mother's Day to you.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
And so to Kevin.